Hey guys, and welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be testing and reviewing a set of these. They are wireless, or basically the lapel microphones. Now I'm filming this using my Samsung mobile, so it's the sound you're hearing right now is what is coming from the mobile phone. Now generally when I'm in the studio, it's not a big deal. I don't really need microphones. However, when I'm out and about doing videos, sometimes the sound quality isn't fantastic. I recently did a video and I had a couple of issues with the sound because the weather was really bad as well. And I probably could have done with a set of these. Now, I picked these up from AliExpress. A friend of mine got in touch. Apparently they were trending. Everyone was posting on TikTok that they bought these microphones. People were saying they cost about £3-4. I got these for £6.98, which includes the tax. With shipping, it cost me a tenner. The thing with AliExpress, beware, when you see the price, sometimes people get fooled by that. You've got to always add tax and shipping, so it does come to quite a bit more. And also, there's different varieties of the product. You might get this and it will say £2.50, but that's just for the adapter. Once you start adding everything, the price goes up. I didn't go for the single, I went for a double, so that when I've got a guest or I'm filming with someone else, we can both have one of these. So let's take a look, let's see what this is all about. So they're wireless Lavalier microphones. It supports one or two. Obviously, like I said, I've got two, but you can use just the one. You don't have to use both. They're pretty much plug and play. They're wireless. From what I understand, all you need to do is literally plug it into the phone and it should sync up and work straight away. Let's get into the box. Let's take a look at what we've got. Let's see if this £10 was well spent. So in the box comes this. You've got your two microphones. You've got the bit that goes into the phone, and you've got the charging cable as well. I did go for the Type-C. You can get Type-C for Android phones or the Apple version. I don't use Apple products, so Android it is. Get a little instruction booklet. Am I going to use the instructions? Who knows? How to use. Connect the receiver to the phone with ports, obviously. Press switch key of microphone. The indicator light turns green, and then power is turned on. So if it's green, it means it is working. Fingers crossed there is charge on this. So there is the receiver, the Type-C, which goes into the bottom of the mobile phone. And let's take a look at the actual microphones. Obviously both exactly the same. You've got the cover on top of the mic as well. You've got a little clip as well. So this, I guess, will clip there. Okay. Seems all right. I don't know if you can see that. Or if I wanted to clip it. Oh, that comes off. Slides on. It doesn't rotate, which is a problem. I suppose if you're wearing a top like this, is fine. But if you're wearing a t-shirt, it's going to be that way. I don't know how much difference that's going to make. Oh, there you go. So what I'll do, let's plug it in. Let's give it a shot. Now, obviously, until I stop the video, go back and listen, I won't know. So you guys will be the judge of this. Obviously, I'm going to listen and then we're going to conclude to see if it's any good. Right. So let's remove this blue sticker from here. And this one from here. Oh, and there's one on the back. Okay, the power button is on the back. So let's plug it in. Light is flashing. Oh, it's not flashing, it is on now. So technically, if I'm right, this should be working. I'm just talking normally now, like I was a little while ago. I'm going to shout a little bit just to see if it distorts. Did it? I'm also going to whisper. I want to talk softly. Let's see, like, is it picking it up? Um, can you hear me? Did I say anything? I'm also going to try it like this. So holding it straight to your mouth, I'm sure is going to be much better. If I turn away from it, is it still picking me up? Can it hear me? Holding it around. We're going to have a listen and see. What I'm also going to do, I'm going to step out of the studio. I'm going to go for a little walk and see how far I can go before it stops. Or I'm going to walk about 15, 20 meters. Let's see what happens. Stay there. I'm going to be talking. I'm not going far. Chill. Oh, so here we go. Let's go outside. Now, the weather ain't great and there's a bit of noise out here, but let's see where we go. So that's 1, 2, 3 meters, 4, 5, 6 meters, 7 meters, 8 meters, 9 meters, 10 meters, 11, 12 meters. Let's see, did it pick up? I'm walking back now. So, you know what? It doesn't even weigh if you can barely feel it. So it's pretty good. Very small, very discreet as well. Whew. I'm back. It's blooming cold out there. It's starting to rain as well, which it is December. What are you going to do? Guys, I'm going to check this out and I'm going to be back in a few moments to see what I thought of it. Let's see. So, guys, I've literally just listened to the video footage. Well, I watched the video footage and listened to the sound quality. And you know what? It isn't bad. The sound quality could be better. But generally, it picks up really well. I went for a bit of a walk, went at least 12 meters. I was guesstimating, I don't know. But yeah, it picked up the whole way. I was talking quietly, like I am now, and it picks up really well. I'm really impressed. Now, for £10, you cannot ask for much more. Now, I've used a lot of wireless microphones in the past. Some of you may know, loads of you may not. I'm a musician, I'm a singer, I've got wireless microphones, I've got wireless guitar pickups, and I have spent a fortune. I use Shure microphones most of the time. I've spent 350 on a microphone. I've spent 500 on a mic. I've spent about 300 on another mic. I've spent 350 on a guitar wireless pickup, and the quality is unbelievable. And you expect it to be when you're paying that sort of money. But I've just paid £10, £10 for this set from AliExpress. And you know what? This is going to come in handy when I'm out and about with UK Random 2. Doing videos at theme parks and attractions, museums, wherever we go, these will come in handy because you'll be able to hear us so much clearer. And wow, for 10 quid posted. And not only that, I ordered it on a Wednesday night, late Wednesday night, and I received it on Monday morning. Now, you're talking like 3, 4 business days. That is brilliant. These obviously come from China, but I'm assuming they've got warehouses over here where they've got stock, so it comes a lot quicker. So there's no way this came from China in 3, 4 days. If it did, that's bloody fantastic. Like I said, you can get them Type C or for iPhone. You just got to specify. You can get a single pack, so one microphone, or you can get one with 2 mics. Um, I don't know what to say. I'm really impressed. I have got links down below to AliExpress. Go over there, take a look. They've got so much stuff, so much random crap, which is what I was on there. Standard. I'm going to be getting some more bits. I really enjoyed this. I'm really happy with these. Now, I'm saying that assuming that the sound quality is as good now as it was earlier. But like I said, I went for a walk and the quality was exactly the same all the way down the end as it was here. Very impressed. Guys, what do you think? Have you bought these? Were your ones any good? Were your ones not any good? If you know any better brands that are around the same price, let me know. I'm willing to get some more of these and try them out. Very happy, very happy. Looks like I'm going back on AliExpress tonight to see what else I can pick up. Guys, if you have enjoyed this video, make sure you give us a like, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell. We're going to see you soon for another UK random video. Peace.